Hello and welcome to Eford Garage. Now, doing some wiring on 65 GTO, so I figured I'd show you this. Now here's my old backup lights. I'm sure some of y'all have old turn signals, verse lights, etc. that the wiring is bad or damaged. Let's be honest, you don't want to spend a lot of money because this is still good. Solid, nothing wrong with it. And why should you? Because you could easily replace the wire as well as upgrade the wire to better wiring right off the bat for just, well, not very much money. This is from American Auto Wire, which is also the ones I'm using for the harness for the car. Now these are little repair terminals. Some of you already know about this, some of you do not, which is why I'm doing this. So if we look here at these housings, and we got our little plastic piece that go in there, it's fine. Now, this will sit in here. It's a little spring, and that's what makes the contact on the bulb. So we're replacing these contacts as well as the wiring. You see my wiring's like off inside there. You can see here's the other one. Now, you can probably buy these springs and replace the springs too. I think the springs are okay on mine. Well, what we'll do here, so you can see, they're right about the exact same size, if you can see. Now, honestly, this will be just a normal crimp job at this point. Nothing crazy to it. Although it's small, so holding it's difficult. We'll just slide our spring right through there. And if you don't crimp it too hard, you'll get it right on the first try. There we go. Now it's in. But wait, there's more. Let's go ahead and ground this wire to the best of my abilities really quick. Ta-da! It works. So there it is, pretty simple. It's taken care of with a much better wire. So when I put this in the car, put the new wiring harness, this is upgraded too. Now you can do that for everything on a car, basically, on these old cars, because you probably need to anyway. And it definitely beats paying high price for one of these brand new. So I hope this information proved helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification and hype button. As always, thanks for watching.